What is going on, traders? Hope you guys crushed it today. I ended up taking 5 trades today, guys. I made over $5,000 in these 5 trades. I'm going to be going over exactly what I did today, as well as the upcoming game plan for tomorrow. Let's get into it. So, first things first, guys, I'm probably going to have to go to the 1 minute time frame just to show you guys. They're very, very micro plays. Today was pretty much based on price action, what I was trading. The first trade I ended up getting into was on this candle right here. 3 minutes into market open, I ended up getting calls and alerting calls, guys, and we sold the move. We came right back down. I bought calls again and sold the move. I'll show you on the 5 minute time frame the exact trades we ended up taking. I ended up getting in calls as soon as we broke under the 200 EMA, guys. I bought calls. I sold the move. I ended up buying calls again as soon as we touched the 200 EMA. I sold the move, and the last play I ended up getting into with Dimitri was right here. Okay, I bought the 200 EMA calls. I sold the move. I shorted puts because it was looking very weak on the 1 minute. And there was news at 10 a.m. And we ended up getting the second high of the day today. In this candle right here, I made most of my daily goal, guys. I had over 100 contracts in 1 day out. And this printed like absolute craziness. I ended up taking, after being up a few $1,000s on the day, a couple thousand on the day, I ended up getting into a call position. I went up money because this was our key level, 492.50. The first reaction. But the thing, when I give you guys key levels, it also includes price action, right? This candle closed below our key level, which is extremely bearish. If it would have touched and closed above it, I would have hit the calls, and this would have had a way bigger move. We ended up closing underneath. I got calls, guys. I ended up making money on this trade and not selling and stopping out break even. The next trade I ended up getting into was right here. I ended up buying calls. Again, I go green. I brought 491 calls in the money to 492, just barely. And then I got stopped out, guys. The next trade I ended up getting into was our key level 491. You see how we ended up closing above 491. We came back up, retested this level. As soon as we closed above 491, guys, I bought the calls and we ended up selling this move. I got my L back from commission fees and the tiny losses that I took on those 2 trades. And then I ended up calling it a day. Today was an extremely green day. All I did is just play my key levels and I played my price action. As soon as I made my daily goal, I overpassed my daily goal, guys. I took 2 extra trades, forcing trades, but they were in the good level, and I stopped out on both of those trades, and then ended up hitting a very good trade just to get my losses from my commission fees back because I sized in so heavily. And I think in this trade here, I only made $200 after getting my 2 losses back from these 2 call plays. But I still turned out very green on the day today. But this just goes to show, and this is a lesson, guys. Like, I made very good money very quickly in the morning. I ended up entering 2 trades. Since I sized in so heavily and I pay around 74, 75 cents USD a contract, and my starter position is 100 contracts when it comes to options, you could see how quickly you can lose money, right? So I made a very good amount of money. I took 2 losing trades. And just those trades alone was over 400. I think it was like $600 in those trades. Just in commission fees, that was $400, right? And I ended up getting in a very good trade. One of the best levels to be buying at 491. It was a very successful trade. And I probably only made $100, $200 on this trade after getting my losses back. This just goes to show, once you're green on the day, get the hell out. My issue was with today is that I ended up making a lot of money very quickly, and it was before 10 o'clock in the morning, and I felt like I still had to trade, right? When you make big money quickly, you have capital to work with, so you start feeling yourself a little bit, and you want to try to make more money and more money. But today, it just goes to show, guys, I ended up entering 2 losing trades straight and then enter a next winning trade to break even. I'm freaking out, right? This is what you guys got to realize. Once you make money on the day, just leave for the day, because you're going to do what I did. When you size in very heavy, the way I size, I go from extremely green on the day and I lose over $1,000 in profit just to make $100, $200 in 3 trades, right? When you're sizing in with 100 contracts, 3 trades straight, and you make $100 or $200, whatever the number is, I don't know off the top of my head. Those were shitty trades you entered, right? And that was my lesson, and that's why I walked away for the entire day. When it comes to the absolute low of day, guys, Dimitri ended up calling the low of day, guys, at 490.35, exactly our key level. If I was on my computer, I probably would have hit it, to be honest. I decided not to, just because I was up, and I had 2 losing trades in a row. I usually should call it quits. And then Options Doctor ended up getting calls too, guys. He bought the breakout of the downtrend. This candle right here, he sold very quickly, and Dimitri was telling us the whole time, like, guys, it's making a new high day. Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. And look what it did. Ended up making a new high of the day. This is why it is such a great feeling when you surround yourself with great traders. My circle of traders aren't just good traders. They are the best traders that I know. Dimitri, Gundy, and Options Doctor, and Jim C are the best traders that I have come across, and that is the reason why I am still with them to this day, guys. I trust them with my life when it comes to trading. I trust them with my money. I trust them with my company. I trust these guys with their trading abilities, and that is why I've partnered with these guys, and we are bringing this Discord to the next level. We have a new premium add-on right now, guys, $53 a month, a cup of coffee a day, and we are live streaming from noon to market close. So 4 hours from 12 p.m. Eastern time till market close, 4 p.m. Eastern time, 4 hours. We have a new premium live stream, guys. These guys are on there from noon to 1. They're live streaming. They're showing their charts the entire time and giving out plays the entire time. If you'd like to take advantage of that, guys, this is for members only. The link is in the bio. And if you guys are new here, this is what we do for a living. We hit the best setups at the best prices, and people like myself, I make my money and I get the hell out of here. And then there's people that are willing to teach you guys the entire market session. That is why I've partnered with Gundy, guys. He's joined Dimitri and myself in this company to bring it to the next level and to offer the most education possible. So that was a short plug, but if you guys like to join, link is in the bio. Let's go over the game plan for the next week or next day and the rest of the week. I'm going to be watching. So just looking at this chart right now, guys, I haven't paid too much attention to it after I made my money on the day. It looks like 470 or 493.70 is going to be one of the best levels to be buying. Why? Previous support, previous resistance. 493.70 is one of the best levels to be shorting or in a bullish case scenario to be buying calls at. So the major key level, 490.73. The next level, 492.50. If you look at the level that I told you guys, 492.50 was supposed to be the best levels for calls. Just because I'm giving you the best level possible to be buying at, it doesn't mean it's going to work. It's just history and SPY has shown us that this could potentially be the best levels to buy at. And look what happened. It ended up rejecting. The major key level I gave you at 492.50 to buy calls ended up rejecting. What do? You're supposed to swap sides on the rejection. 492.50. Look at the downside it did. It did it over a 2-point drop from using our key level, coming back down to it, retesting it, big sell off. Now come to the next side. Once a 5-minute candle has closed above our key level, which indicates it is a support, look at the upside it did. It did $2 to the upside. So 492.50 rejects. It did $2 to the downside. Support, $2 to the upside. The key levels I give you are just key levels. Price action changes throughout the day. We do not know what's going to happen. I could give you the best setup at the best prices, and it could change, guys. So this is why it is very important to have a great community like the Daily Sniper to be able to walk you guys through these trades. We are not financial advisors. We are educators. We are professors, and we're here to teach you guys how to trade the best setups at the best prices, not just give you a dollar amount to trade the best setups at the best prices. Because as you guys know that are watching this video, anything could happen at a major key level. We have some key levels that work consistently, and we have some key levels that SPY doesn't respect at all. But what happens? It eventually comes back down or comes back up to respect that level. That's why being educated on price action is one of the most beneficial tools that you can have being a day trader. And this is what we specialize in, teaching you guys how to trade the best key levels possible. But that is my game plan going to tomorrow, 493.70 and 492.50. We're going to be watching the price action in the pre-market. If we gap up, we gap down, it doesn't matter, because at 9 a.m. Eastern time, I'm here to give you guys my game plan. After the pre-market dust has settled, I will be telling you guys the best setups at the best prices moving forward. Make sure you click the notification bell, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Every single day we do this, guys. We are not the type of Discord that just calls out plays. We talk you through these plays, and this is why this Discord is hands down the best community to be a part of. I've paid for the most expensive Discords that you can even name and the cheapest Discords you can even name, guys. And I'm telling you, I know what we have, I know what we offer, and I know the value of our company, guys. And things are only going upwards. If you would like to be part of it, if you would like to change your future, guys, the link is in the bio. We will never decrease prices. We will only increase. Whatever price you get in at, you can be locked in for a lifetime for whatever price you get locked in at. But we will continue to increase prices as the subscriber base goes. Our company grew 72% in the last 30 days. And our monthly turn down rate, guys, is at 7%. That means that of everyone who joins, we only have a 7% decrease, which means that everyone joining our company, guys, even on the 5-day free trial, only 7% of people are leaving, and 93% of people are staying because we offer a value and we hold a standard with our company. Enough of that, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. I appreciate it, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see everyone tomorrow morning, 9 a.m. Eastern time. Let's make some money, baby.